No, that's not an error in the title. This eye-catching Lamborghini Huracan, formerly owned by Canadian DJ deadmau5, has actually been christened the Nyanborghini Huracan due to its boldly styled paint job. It's now gone up for sale for the impressive price of $289,900 Canadian dollars, around £174,000. The name comes from the character on the side, product of a viral video, known as Nyan. The bizarre hybrid of cat and Pop-Tart flies through space, leaving a rainbow behind it, and singing a high-pitched song. If you are curious, you can view the video below. It adorns deadmau5's Lamborghini Huracan by way of a vinyl wrap, which the seller, Motion Endeavors, is quick to point out can be removed before purchase. Ditto the brake calipers, which have been painted a shocking pink to better suit the rest of the vehicle. At least underneath the glitz, the car should be spotless. It's covered only 1,700 miles since it was built in 2015. The wrap covers a Biancolita white paint scheme, paired with dark leather and Alcantara on the inside. The price generously includes custom-made EV1 SL series wheels as well as the stock items, while floor mats with leather piping also feature. Amazingly, this Lamborghini isn't the only car deadmau5 has wrapped in this incredible style. His last car, a Ferrari 458, featured identical livery, complete with custom Ferrari badges. It actually prompted legal action from Ferrari demanding that the branding be removed. That car was returned to stock before it was sold, however,